I'm going to keep this nice and short and sweet. If you have your money right now at some of the bigger banks, so think about like Bank of America, JP Morgan, Citibank, any of those big banks, you need to move your money, at least your savings, into a better account. Because right now you're hustling backwards. They're offering you no money. You're making money off of it. They're taking your money and they're loaning it to other people. You get what I'm saying? Let's get to it. What's up, YouTube? I'm Debt Free Joel. On today's video, we're going to talk about why your money should be in a high yield savings account. If you're new to this channel is dedicated to one thing and one thing only, which is to make you more money. Whether it be through saving, whether it be through investing, and most importantly, whether it be to giving back to others. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Are you kidding me? 0.01%. This is what Bank of America is offering you as a savings account. You have to be out of your mind to put your money in Bank of America's savings account and earn 0.01%. To put this into perspective, if you had $1,000, I literally had to write this down. If you had $1,000 in your savings account and you kept it for 1 year at Bank of America, you would earn a whopping 10 cents. You would earn 10 cents on your money. So if you put $1,000 into Bank of America's savings account, you'd earn 10 cents for the entire year. This is why your money should not be at some of these big banks. Look, I have nothing against Bank of America, JP Morgan, any of those big banks. Actually, I love JP Morgan. I love the CEO. I love what they do. But their savings rates are probably trash compared to high yield savings accounts. So what I want you to do is to go to bankrate.com, go to the savings section, and look for a bank that's offering you real money, real interest on your money, I should say. Now, I am always going to be biased. This video is not sponsored by Ally, but I love Ally. I love their savings account. I love their platform. I love their customer service. It's easy. It's simple. There's no fees. There's minimal withdrawal limits. I love their platform. But you can choose for yourself. You can go on there and you can look for banks about where you want to put your money. Here are some things to consider. Number one, make sure you're not paying fees. No bank should be paying, you should be paying any bank a fee to hold your money. It doesn't make any damn sense. It literally makes no sense to pay a bank a fee to hold your money. So don't do it. The second thing is you want to make sure is that there's not that many withdrawal limits. So here's what I mean by that. I think for Ally, you have to do, or at least you have a minimum of 6 withdrawals from the savings account per month. But if you're watching my channel, you know you shouldn't be necessarily taking money out of your savings because you're saving. So what you want to do is look for those type of banks, right, where you don't have that many withdrawal limits and that you're not necessarily having an issue with it. The third thing that you really want to do is make sure that FDIC insured. What that means is that your money is going to be protected up to a certain amount. I think as of right now it's $250,000. But that's where your money should be. Look for the bank account that works for you. But get your money out of these big banks. They're not necessarily earning you any money. You're not able to even remotely keep up with inflation. Again, 0.01%. That means for every $1,000 that you have in an account, you're earning 10 cents. Get your money out of these big banks. The other thing I want to mention is this. When you have a high yield savings account and that you're earning interest over time, you're going to have to pay taxes on that interest, right? Because there's 2 things that are guaranteed in this life. 1, death. 2, taxes. So at the end of the year, you're going to get your form from your savings account, just like you would any other savings account. And it's going to tell you how much interest you earn, and you're going to be able to pay taxes on that. And you're going to be paying taxes at that time, whatever the case is. Now, because you're going to be paying taxes, that should not mean that you should not be putting your money in a high yield savings account, because they can tax you all they want. The point is to still earn interest on the money, and the taxable rate that they're going to give to you based on that, interest income is going to be lower than your personal income tax rate. So make sure you're taking that into account. But at the end of the day, use the high yield savings account. Put your money in there. I'm going to say it again. Bank of America's savings account rate is 0.01%, which means for every $1,000 that you have in their savings account, they're going to give you 10 cents. I'm trying not to curse on YouTube's platform right now, But those of you know me right now that I am holding on for dear life, because that is complete bull. You know what? I'm gonna relax. Put your money in a high yield savings account. Start earning some real interest on your money. Start doing the things that you're supposed to do to protect your family. And that's that. And that's it. That's my time. If you're new to these type of channels, if you like this type of information, cool. Click the like and subscribe button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's the same name as YouTube, @DebtFreeJoel. We put a ton of information on there about saving, about investing, and most importantly, about being charitable. So, until next time, always remember, you got food at home.